I'm Rich Andell, and I'm a senior test project leader overseeing the testing of clothes dryers. We're running multiple drying tests to see how well the machine performs, but we're also looking for how well the moisture sensor judges the dryness of the laundry. We have a set of 2 identical washers that we use to wet the loads before we put them in the dryers. And we have a target weight that we use so it has the same amount of water each time, so it's consistent, so we're easily comparing the different dryers.
So we're going to weigh them to make sure that they are the right consistency or of wetness, and then we're going to apply thermal labels before we put them in the machine.
They measure temperature on the clothes so that we can see if any of the clothes get too hot when in the drying cycle.
If it's too hot, you might damage your clothing.
These are the various loads that we use for our drying testing. We have a delicate load, permanent press load, and then a mixed load. In the delicate load, we have nightgowns and pajamas and bras and also underwear. In the permanent press load, shirts that are a blend, pants. This is the mixed load. It consists of blended shirts, jeans, and some towels also. We do those 3 loads at minimum dry and max dry. Maximum dry, we want to see that the dryer fully dried the clothes. And the min dry, we want to see it, leave it a bit damp in case you wanted to iron your clothes or finish or hang them up. Ideally, you want your washer machine to remove a lot of the water from the load when it's going through its spin cycle. That way, your dryer will have less work to do and it'll save you energy in the long run. Besides the drying performance, we also evaluate the noise, and then we also evaluate the convenience of the machine, how easy it is to load, how easy it is to clean the lint filter, different features the machine has. We also survey our members on reliability and satisfaction. We use a scientific standardized method for testing and acquire all the data to provide information to you to make better buying decisions.